what's up guys, welcome back to our video. It's day 6 for my 18-day challenge, and today I'm with Charista here. Hi. And then we're at Tamarama Beach, and right now we just took some photos back then and are about to go to Bondi. Is it gonna be wet? Nah, it's okay, it should be fine. Maybe come back a bit, because I want to get the whole thing. Come. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I know it's a bit short, but I did get plenty of drone shot for my major project, and also got some very good shot with Charista, so make sure you go follow her on Instagram. I'll put the link in the description below. And we also finished the night at Mackenzies in Chinatown, Sydney, with some of my favorite snowflakes chicken and kimchi pancake as well. And somehow I found Jerome, and we spent the night together at Barangaroo doing some long exposure as well. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching guys, and hope to see you all on the next one. See ya.